Just like we showed how we were able to control the barrel shades by using the Coke can in there or the Depron top, there's also ways you can control a bare bulb. So I'm going to show you a scene from the Rat Pack, and then we're going to dive into how I control bare bulbs.
Wow, see, buddy boy? Politicians, movie stars, mobsters.
Untouchables.
All the bacteria you need for life itself.
There you see the bare bulb, and this bare bulb obviously is just at the Rat Pack. These are like FBI agents, and they're trying to listen in on conversations. They're trying to see if Frank Sinatra is attached to the mob in some way. So with this, you can see the bare bulb up on the screen, and what I did, because it was flaring the lens like you could not believe. I mean, it was like just, you could see wherever I panned the camera, there was a double image of that bare bulb. So what I did is I took streaks and tips. Now, what are streaks and tips? Well, streaks and tips are what the hairdressers use to actually color hair. They want to add a little brown or black or silver or whatever it is. It has been a technique that's been used for decades. And what you do is, the reason you use streaks and tips and not paint is when you hit a bulb with paint, it's got a thicker lacquer or whatever chemical base to it. So, and it's hard to clean off. And when you hit it with paint, it tends to explode. So you don't want to be doing that. So what I do is I will let the bulb sit there in all its firepower, and then I go up with black streaks and tips, and I'll literally just squirt a small little black hole around the hot part of the bulb. So I just spray it so it's like using neutral density, but with black streaks and tips. Now, when you're doing headlights, I usually use white streaks and tips or brown streaks and tips on headlights. This is also another really great technique. When headlights are flaring you out too much, you get out the cans of streaks and tips. And once again, why streaks and tips and not paint? Well, you don't want to be cleaning paint off a beautiful car. Streaks and tips wipes right off. So I hit this bulb right here in the scene, so it's got this beautiful glow, but there's absolutely no flare from it. Now, the other thing I did is I went around the back side of the bulb and I blasted the hell out of it with black streaks and tips. So the whole back side of that bulb was black. But the light that was hitting our two FBI agents was left open. So I painted the back side of the bulb black. I painted the hot spot in the center with black streaks and tips, and the edges illuminated our characters beautifully. So again, this is all about taking the practical source and finessing it and shaping it and turning it into something that you can actually have some light control with.